Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Shadowing Practice with Sophia. This is episode 4 of season 1, and I'm delighted you're here to practice with me again. Let's continue working on our English fluency together. Listen carefully to my sentences, pause, and repeat them, focusing on the natural flow of the language. Today, our topic is something I believe is fundamental to a fulfilling life: the importance of staying curious and learning new things. Curiosity is like a spark. It ignites our desire to explore, to understand, and to grow. And when we actively pursue learning, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. Staying curious means asking questions, wondering why or how about the world around us. It's about not taking things for granted and always being open to discovering something new. This mindset keeps our brains active and engaged. Think about children. They are naturally so curious, always exploring and asking questions. As adults, it's important to nurture that same sense of wonder. Learning new things doesn't always mean enrolling in a formal course or studying for a degree, although those are great options too. It can be as simple as reading an article on a topic you know little about, watching a documentary, learning a new recipe, or trying out a new hobby. Perhaps you want to learn a few phrases in a new language, or understand how a piece of technology works, or even learn a new card game. The benefits are immense. Firstly, learning keeps our minds sharp and can even improve cognitive functions as we age. It challenges us and helps us develop new skills and perspectives. Secondly, it can boost our confidence. Every time you learn something new, no matter how small, you gain a sense of accomplishment. Moreover, learning new things can make life more interesting and enjoyable. It can lead to new hobbies, new passions, and even new friendships with people who share similar interests. It can also make you a more well-rounded and engaging person to talk to, as you'll have more to share and discuss. And, of course, for us learning English, this attitude of curiosity is vital. Being curious about new words, different expressions, or cultural nuances helps us to learn more effectively and makes the process more enjoyable. So, I encourage you to embrace your curiosity. What's something new you've been wanting to learn or explore? Take a small step today. Ask a question, read an article, watch a short video. Keep that spark of curiosity alive. That's all for our topic today. I hope you found it interesting and that it provides you with some excellent sentences for your shadowing practice. Keep up the fantastic work. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!